presenting Beparine, a trusted name in heparin for over 70 years, where innovation meets excellence. Beparine sets a benchmark in quality control with advanced NMR spectroscopy and robotic assay technology imported from Switzerland. We ensure the finest quality by sourcing the best biological materials, producing pure API that meets the highest standards. With superior anti-exhaust activity of 148 to 219 IU per milligram, Beparine guarantees potency for 36 months, far outlasting competitors. From manufacturing to filling, every process is automated with German precision using Bohringer Machines to ensure unmatched quality. By adding 5% overages, Beparine ensures consistent potency throughout its extended shelf life of 36 months. Healthcare professionals worldwide trust Beparine, a name synonymous with quality and efficacy for over 7 decades. Beparine, advancing healthcare with unparalleled quality and innovation, the trusted choice in heparin.